Welcome to your activity. In this module, we've learned how to use AI for transcription and how to manage tasks in Notion and Trello. Now, it's time to put it all together and build a powerful automated system. The ultimate goal of AI for productivity is to automate as much of the tedious work as possible. Imagine a world where you don't have to manually write meeting notes or create to-do lists from scratch. In this activity, you're going to set up a system that does exactly that. Here's your mission, broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. The automation foundation. You're going to set up your AI transcription tool to automatically join your meetings. If you're using Otter AI, for example, you go to your account settings and connect your Google Calendar or Outlook. Once connected, you can enable the auto join feature. This ensures that a transcript is created for every meeting on your calendar without you having to lift a finger. This is the first crucial piece of your automated system. Step 2. Create your project hub. Now, open Notion or Trello and create a simple board or page. I recommend setting it up with a few key columns like task, status, and a deadline field. This is a central location where you will track all of your action items and project work. Step 3. The manual connection. This is where your human expertise comes in. After a meeting, your AI tool will send you a summary with a clear list of action items. All you have to do is copy that list and paste it directly into your task board in Notion or Trello. From there, you can assign deadlines and set reminders. This final quick step saves you from the tedious process of rewatching the meeting and manually sifting through notes to find action items. Congratulations! You've now built a powerful AI-powered system that handles the heavy lifting of note-taking and task management. Your challenge is to run a real test. Use this system for your next virtual meeting. Notice how much time you save and how much more organized you feel. This is the difference between working harder and working smarter. Good luck and happy automating.